Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use CoinRabbit during market crash. CoinRabbit is not just a lending platform, it's also a way to manage crypto risk. During a crash, the goal is survival and flexibility, not just speculation. So first open any of the browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. Click onto this My Wallet at the top right. Over here you can also check your borrow stable coins. And over here, what you can do is go to your loan in the left hand side, and you can also borrow stable coins if needed. Over here, under this loan, you can deposit crypto as collateral as well and borrow stable coins USDT or USDC. Here, go to this BTC and select to this search here and type on USDC or USDT as well. And make sure the LTV is under the 50% as well, which is the lowest here during the crash rate. And you can also use the CoinRabbit earn net your remaining crypto earn APY while prices are low as well. And you can also exchange at the left hand side here. You can swap only if necessary. You need stable coins for safety or want to rebalance collateral. Each swap has network fees and may worsen losses in the volatile markets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.